Here comes Bugal with a letter. Bugal, all in the traffic. Basket and one. Who's got it? Cover jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, that's his first personal foul. 13 fouls. Here comes Benedict Bugal, shooting his bonus free throw. Basket count, never play being played.
Si Mikey, ikaw. Yung ikaw.
Back to Ibanez. Here's the handle. 10 on the shot clock. 3 seconds violation. Back to Bugal again. Lead pass to Zamora. 5 for 3. Rebound by Talupo. Kicking out to Ibanez. Ibanez on the run. Floreta. Justine. Floreta. Back to Zamora with the leather. Finding Bugal. Shot fake hesitation. Rebound is on miss. San Luis. Box shot. 2 points. Here comes Ibanez. Finding Talupo. Kicking out to jersey number 4. Ibanez again. 12 on the shot clock. Ibanez. Yeah, Ibanez. Here comes Bugal again. Basket and one. A back-to-back play for Bugal. Who's fouled up? For the jersey number 10 again. That's his second personal foul. Second team foul. Benedict Bugal will shoot his bonus free throw. Make a 3-point play again for Benedict Bugal. Here comes Oreta. Kicks out to Ibanez. Finding Oreta on the middle side. There's a foul whistled for the jersey number 19. Jersey number 19, that's his first personal foul. 13 foul. Oreta. Shot fired for 3-pointer. Short. Lead pass to Zamora. Taking his time. Move the shot clock and the game clock. Zamora fires for 3. Archie Zamora. 3. Back to Oreta again. Finding Santos. Spins. No. Rebound by Ibanez. Ibanez finding Oreta. Steal. Here comes Bugal on the run. There's a foul committed for the jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, that's his first personal foul. 13 foul. Here comes Benedict Bugal, shooting 2. First one, no penalty. Makes the second one. 7 minutes and 21 seconds left on the quarter. Back to Ibanez with the leather. Finding De La Cruz. Lead pass to Santos. Start for 3. No. Here comes Manalo. Kick up to Bugal. Move the handle, turnover. Jersey number 1 and jersey number 0 of both teams. Double foul. And jersey number 1. First personal foul and jersey number 0. That is first personal foul also. Tackling violation. Finding Zamora. Zamora, jumper. Out of bounds, Batang Looban secured the possession. Here comes Ibanez. To Oreta, jumper. Block. Steal. Here comes Oreta. Pinoy step. Justine Oreta. Timeout. 1 on. Time remaining 23 to 29. Jersey number 20, Zamora, finding Manalo. Here comes Bugal. Benedict Bugal. Here comes Ibanez. Spins. Finding Oreta. Justine Oreta. What a connection there for Ibanez and Oreta. For the jersey number 17, that's the second personal foul, penalty. Remember jersey 17, Santos. No, remember Oreta. Justine Oreta. Here comes jersey number 20. Here comes Manalo. Back to Zamora. First 13. No. Out of bounds. Batang Looban will take the possession. Here comes Ibanez. First for 3. Ibanez. 3. So the jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, that's it. First personal foul penalty and technical foul for the bench of Batang Looban for improper penalty bottle. 1 shot.
Hindi ko mapindot.
Nakapindot na.
Wala!
No count. Valeriano. Finding Iana. 16 on the shot clock. Romano. Kick out to Monga. Valeriano. Onto the middle side. Gabriel Valeriano. Here comes Zamora. Jumper. No. Rebound. Here comes Zamora. Manalo onto the rear side. Passer. Manalo. Here comes Romano with the level. Finding Iana. Back to Valeriano. Kick out to Pinata. There's a foul whistle. Hockey jersey number 333. That's the second personal foul, third team foul. Here comes Bert Pinata, shooting two. First four, basket 10. Missed the second one. Rebound is going miss. Here comes Iana with the block. Iana. Here comes Manalo. Making his own move. Loses the handle. Finding Zamora onto the middle side. Jumper. Goal. Ashley Zamora. Back to Romano. Kick out to Pinata. Finding Iana. There's a traveling violation call. Last 2 minutes in the second quarter. Back to Zamora. Zamora finding off his teammates. Back to Dugal. Dugal. Dugal with the traffic. Inside. Oh. Rebound by Pinata. Teammate. Pass to Manalo. Manalo. Pass to Manalo. A 3-point team. Finding Iana. Valeriano. Shot fake. There's a traveling violation call. A back-to-back turnover for the side of Batamaoban. 1 minute and 37 seconds left on the second quarter. Here comes Bugatti. Finding Zamora. 15 on the shot clock. Zamora with a long answer three-pointer. Rebound by Tonga. Here comes Mark Tonga on the run. What a find! Guardiana. Back to Ashley Zamora with the handles. Zamora finding Manalo. Rebound by Valeriano. Back to Valeriano. Rebound by Pinata. Onto the middle side. Gabriel Valeriano. Last 15 seconds in the third. Last 10 seconds. San Luis